Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. And if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone that has received the latest update and your phone will not charge past 85%, then this video may help you solve that issue. Samsung apparently has made a boo-boo with their latest update that includes a setting which causes the battery to charge to only 85%, then stops. I'm not sure which Samsung phones are affected by this update, but I do know that Samsung Galaxy S10s are affected. To find out if you have the affected version on your phone, go into the settings and scroll down and tap on Software Update, then tap on Last Update. Look at the bottom of this page and you will see the version of the update. You may want to pause the video because there are at least 3 of these update versions that you will have to compare to the versions of your phone. If you see any of these versions, then your phone may not be affected by this update. Now, if your phone has been affected by this update, I'm going to show you how you can turn this setting off. Go back to the main settings page, scroll to and tap on Battery and Device Care. Tap on Battery. Scroll to the bottom and tap on More Battery Settings. On the bottom, you should see Protect Battery option that says, this update states the reason is to extend the lifespan of your battery and therefore limits the maximum charge of 85%. If this is turned on, then swipe the toggle switch to turn it off. I don't know why Samsung would have this option set to the on position at default, but it would be enough to make the owner think that the update screwed up the phone, and then they'd go looking at getting it fixed for no reason at all. Samsung really should be more careful about the options in these updates and leave settings like this one up to the owner to enable or disable by choice and not automatic. I'm not sure about others, but I want the maximum charge of 100%. That 15% could mean a difference between life and death in my opinion. If you feel the need to contact Samsung to let them know how you feel about them automating settings in your phone through updates, then I suggest you do so. This will make certain, hopefully, that it will not happen with future updates. I hope this helped you guys out. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.